order to do this, I'm going to go ahead and start with a really light pink base color. I'm using 1 coat of Georgette. This will blur my nail line. And I'm using 1 coat of Bay by Cert Colors. This is a magnetic nail polish. Magnetic's going to give a really cool effect under the chrome. So in order to get a velvet, I'm going to hold my magnet bar to the side of my nail. I'm going to do this the entire time it's drying, and that will give that really cool halo effect. Then to seal that, I'm going to go in with my top coat Sage Vite. It's important to use this top coat for chrome. Then I'm going in with this chrome powder from HG Professionals. It's their Dragonfly Chrome Powder in shade 3. I'm going to take a little bit on the end of my finger and just buff it into my dry to the touch top coat. I don't know why this works with this top coat, but there's something about the Sage Vite's top coat where it dries down, dry to the touch, but for about an hour after it dries down, dry to the touch, you can buff chrome powder into it. And I really think this is the most successful way that I've found to do this without using any kind of gel. The chrome powder comes out very mirror-like and not glittery, which is an issue I've had before using chrome powders with lacquer. I'm just brushing off any excess here. Once I'm happy with how the base coat looks of chrome powder, I'm going to go in with a water-based top coat on top of it. I just happen to have Peely Base by Holo Taco on hand, and it is water-based, so that's what I'm using. I'll let this dry and then top coat it again with my normal top coat. You don't have to use Peely Base in order to make this work. I like Peely Base because I always have it on hand, but any water-based top coat will work. I'm pretty sure KB Shimmer also has one. Just do a little bit of Googling, but you do need one in order to preserve the chrome and prevent it from disintegrating into like a normal looking shimmer. I also make sure to wait until the Peely Base is totally dry before going in with my final top coat. That makes everything last a lot longer and makes it easier to apply that last top coat. And that is how I do chrome on regular nail polish. I think that this is really fun, and it's really not that hard once I figured it out, so I wanted to share the details of how to do it. This is a look of my final manicure under some direct light. I really like the chrome powder Aurora shift, so it goes from like a blue to a bright pink.